How did you meet Courtney?
Courtney and I met, you know, the truth is, and she'd be embarrassed I'd say this, but the truth is, over Twitter, she tweeted me one day saying I should come to an NHRA race, which I had been to them before. So then we kind of connected, and I went in June of a few years ago now, but that was the original connection. I just kind of went from there.
Now, did you propose via Twitter as well, or how did that work?
I should have been a lot easier, a lot less nerve-wracking. No, we went to actually Luke and I were just talking about it. We went to Venice in November, which sounds like a great idea, but it was freaking cold and rainy. But I mean, it turned out all right. She said yes, I guess. So that's all that really matters.
When's the wedding? No, when's the big day?
End of November. I'm just trying to stay out of it. You know, let her do her
Smart
thing.
man, smart man. Well, thank you for talking with us. That's Graham Rahal. I'm Jerome Ritchie. This is IndyCar Talk.